Hello, my name is William Walton, and I am an Associate Professor of Urban Planning Law at the Bartlett School of Planning, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the module BPLN0015, which is called Comparative Planning, Real Estate and Infrastructure Law. Before I go any further, it's important to know that the module does not assume any prior knowledge of the law. The aim and objective of the module is to provide an overview, a knowledge and understanding of how law impacts upon land use and how law impacts upon the role of property professionals, property itself, and also on the promotion of significant infrastructure projects. So to look at planning, for example, we look at the role of the need for planning permission, the role of development plans, and the scope for local authorities to take enforcement action. In the context of property, we'll be looking at how property interests are legally defined, how they're protected through registration, overlapping interests such as servitudes, or should I say easements, and restrictive covenants. We're also looking at the role of contract and the role of tort in defining the role of professionals and ensuring that they comply with their professional conduct standards. And then finally, we'll be looking at the role of law in promoting major infrastructure projects, because sometimes this is outside the normal planning system. Here we're talking about airport expansions, power stations, and so on. Pardon me. In terms of delivery, the module will be delivered through one 2-hour lecture every week, and there will be one tutorial giving assistance to groups for the group project towards the end of the module. There will also be, and this is part of the assessment, although it's not assessed itself formally, there will be a presentation. So one of the classes towards the end of the module will be taken up by students giving brief presentations. That brings me on to the assessment for the module. It comprises two components. The first is an individual essay, which is 40% of the overall assessment, and it comprises a 1,300 word long assignment. There will be choice of about 6 or 7 questions, allowing you to bring in knowledge from your own jurisdiction. And then second, there is a group project which constitutes the remaining 60% of the assessment. That is a group comprising maybe 6 or 7 members, and the report, I beg your pardon, will be about 6,000 or 7,000 words in length. So about 1,000 words of input per student. And the group project will focus upon the delivery of a major sports stadium anywhere in the world. So that is the module, BPLN0015, Comparative Planning, Real Estate and Infrastructure Law, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.